Hello again, it's Bob Joyner here, and first off, just want to say thank you for watching the video series that I did over this past week. If you have not seen that series of 5 videos in which I cover the chat room results for 5 straight days, and you can go to the website there, bobjoyner.com, and look at that. But this essentially what I did is I did a recap of each morning's trade results, and I posted the charts in those videos, and those are just some flashing on the screen there. So over a 5-day period, 30 trade alerts were posted inside the chat room as noted in those videos. So if we look at the results, 27 of those trades hit their targets on the same day. 1 hit its target the next day, and 2 so far have not hit stop or target either one. So pretty strong results, I think you'll agree. In terms of accuracy, that's a 90% rate of success over 5 consistent day period. Now, of course, previous performance is not a guarantee of future results, so I'm not trying to imply that at all, and not trying to imply that day trading is not risky. It is, okay? And as is often suggested, you should never use day trading money that you need, because it is risky. But I do have to ask you a question. How does this compare with your current trading results over the same 5-day period? Now, I don't know if you're a day trader currently, if you're a swing trader, but just proposing to you, what would it look like if you were to spend a couple of hours each morning, if you had the ability to do that in trading. So here's a hypothetical situation for you. If you had used $10,000 per trade and you only made 1% return on investment per trade, and you were done before lunch every day, so that you made $2,700 in 5 days, again, this is all hypothetical, then would that look like a good week to you? Now, I don't know how it compares to what you're doing now, and I'm not guaranteeing that kind of money every single week over a 5-day period, but that's what happened over the 5-day period. If you'd used $10,000 per trade and you only made 1%, and I say only because most trades actually went much further than the 1%. The videos show that some trades made as much as 10% or more during the trading days. It all depends on how you manage the trade and what your risk analysis is. But if you did that before lunch every day, and I say before lunch because I leave the chat room at 11:30 every day. Now the chat room is open until 5, and a lot of people post trades after I leave, as well as during the time I'm there. But even if you just left by 11:30 Eastern time every day and you made $2,700 in 5 days, then how would that look to you? Normally my membership in the chat room is $249, and the price is up because frankly the results are pretty darn good. But here's my special limited time offer. I said that I was going to offer something special today, so this is Thursday the 9th of March, and I am going to offer this to you. You can try my chat room for a full 2 weeks for just $25. 10 days in the chat room is what you get. 3 to 5 trade alerts by 11:30 a.m. every day, that's Eastern time. You get a daily email training for each day. There's no long-term contract, and there's no automatic renewal. So what happens at the end of the 2 weeks? Well, I'll send you an email and tell you the cost for the next 30 days. But the whole idea here is just to get your, to let you taste and see, is this something that might work for you? Now, I cannot guarantee that you'll be successful in this chat room. I know that many people have been. I know that many people have been with me for years because I've been doing this for 8 years now, and doing a daily stock analysis and chat room for 8 years, and so the results are pretty strong. So I just wanted to show you this little picture here, partly because what we do in here, what we do in the chat room is we do analysis, trade analysis, we do trade alerts, but there's also a community. So I'm not the only person who's posting trades. I may not even be the best person in the chat room, okay? But what we have is we have a group of experienced traders who share trade alerts, trade ideas, and try to encourage each other in their success. So here's the next steps that you need to do. Register for the 2-week access by clicking the Try It button below this video. The deadline is this Sunday at midnight Eastern. That's the cutoff point. So your all access pass begins on Monday the 13th, and it will last all the way through Friday, March 24th, again for just $25. So after sign up, watch your email box. Use a good email address when you sign up to make sure you get all the email training that's going to happen, and just sign up at the button below that says try it. If you happen to be watching this on Facebook or on YouTube, then just go to my page. You'll see the same video at the top of the page, along with the other 5 videos I posted during that 1 week, and then you'll see the try it button below that video. So just go to that site there and you'll see the button there. But remember, this is a limited time offer. Offer ends Sunday at midnight, and I look forward to working with you.